Do you have a headache with your cost data sheets? Do they take too much time to create, store and update? Would you like to dramatically reduce the time it takes to create and maintain your cost sheets? Would you like to have access to them online and receive automatic emails letting you know when they require updating? Would you like to take away the worry of heavy fines and penalties, giving you peace of mind that your company is fully compliant with cost regulations? Offering your staff peace of mind that their safety when using chemical products within your business is your priority. Let's introduce you to ISI, Integrated Substance Index, our easy online cost sheet creation tool to manage your dangerous substances. ISI allows you to add any products requiring an SDS sheet to your own personal ISI platform. And, at the click of a button, create cost operating instruction sheets. You can also prepare a hazardous substance index for one or all of your products. We also have an ISI app. Have instant access to all of your SDS and cost sheets on your smartphone or tablet, offering you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week access to your cost and SDS sheets. Würth are market leaders in consumables, systems and solutions, supporting all our customers across the world in all industries. The ISI platform has been developed and designed by Würth to support all our professional customers in the management of their dangerous substances, and works as a complete service solution alongside our ORSI chemical storage management system, which offers chemical racking, chemical cupboards and refillo systems to reduce waste. ISI creates cost sheets in under 5 minutes, gives you instant access to SDS sheets, assures legal compliance, eliminates incorrect cost information, avoids fines and penalties, gives the correct PPE recommendations, and saves time and money. Get started with ISI today. Log into your Würth online shop and follow our easy setup instruction video with the link in the description. For more information and to download our full ISI brochure, visit www.würth.co.uk. Services ISI.